Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a GIF background on your Google Chrome browser. It's very, very easy to do. Now, first things first, all you have to do is find a GIF that you want to use. So I'm just going to search for a GIF on Google Images here, but you're welcome to go over to Giphy and try to find something that you like more. But I'm just going to go over to images and just find something really quick for the tutorial. Let's just say this one right here. Perfect. And so now all you have to do is find one that you like. Once you find one that you like, you want to right click on it and click on Save Image As. Now this is the very important part. You want to make sure that you name your file whatever you would like, and then you want to make sure that you put .png at the end of it. And then also this save as type, you want to change this from GIF to all files. But once you have the .png and the all files there, you're good to save it. So just save it to somewhere where you'll remember to go grab it. So I'm just gonna save it to my pictures right here and click on save. Now, once you're done that, you want to open up another tab on your Google Chrome browser. So just open up another tab, and then you want to go to the bottom right where it says Customize. Click on Customize, and then click on Upload from Device. And then I'm going to go over to where you saved your image. So just like this, click on your image and click on Open. And then we'll add your GIF as your background on your Google Chrome browsers. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to do this. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.